Changing the email link to your Bank of America account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile Settings section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile Settings, find the option for Contact Information or Email Preferences. Click on this option to proceed to update your email. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is linked to your account. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Bank of America's customer service for assistance.